Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Saturday the 5th of October. Yesterday was NFP. Throughout this week was NFP week. So normally I take trades on Tuesdays and sometimes on Fridays if my setup is there. But I didn't see any setup. My setup did not form, so I did not take any trade. Basically, I'll be doing analysis for next week, just an overview of what I'm looking at for the upcoming week. I think I need to be doing this kind of breakdowns more consistently to show my viewers how I do my analysis and just kind of my mindset in general. Um, so basically for next week, depending on how my model forms, I'm going to be looking more on a pair like USD CHF for long-term trades because there's a way I analyze my charts in terms of short-term day trading and a long-term view. And if there are some specific things that show in my chart, these are things that will determine if I'm going to be long-term, short-term, or just intraday trading. At the moment, USD CHF for the most part has shown me likelihoods of giving me a longer term trade, and I'm looking to be very bullish on USD CHF for this month of October. As you can see here, I've already started putting that into perspective. So I'm very likely to be bullish on USD CHF depending on how, if my model forms for me to take an entry, because I could be bullish, but if I don't see an entry model, I'm not going to enter the trade. So it just depends on how next week goes and what likely forms. GBPUSD, I'm most likely going to be bearish. I'm looking for down moves down to specific areas like this target or even lower depending. Yeah, so and if you look at USD CHF, I don't know at the time of, I don't know if I can go back in time to show that there was a very long-term move that I caught an entry on, but I didn't leave it to run. I only caught a 1 to 2 risk to reward. That I'm risking 1% for 2% returns. I'm trying not to use RR because I'm trying to upgrade my finance lingo. You understand? So a 1% risk for a 2% return, but I'll see how I can hold longer depending on what I see in the market, and if I just need to get a 2% return or depending on what I risk, then that's fine. So GBP USD, I'm going to be bearish. USD Euro USD, I'm most likely going to be bearish, but it's looking like it's extending more than what I would like to see. But if it gives me an entry model, then I take it. But I'm going to be looking to be bearish on that. GBP card, it's looking like it's going to give me a longer term perspective, but it's still not as concrete as I would like to see, as I'm seeing on USD CHF. So if I see an entry model, I take it just as usual, but if I don't, I don't. Yeah, so I'm looking at targets like 1.76912, and if it extends further, that's fine. But things like this, I might not be so long term. So it all depends on how my model forms, as I have said. Then other pairs, I might just be intraday trading. These other pairs, I'm not really seeing long term moves like USD card. USD GPUI, and the rest. So I might just go just for intraday moves. So these are kind of how I segment my charts to know how I'm going to be either long term, short term, intraday trading, sometimes scalping, but I don't really like scalping because it's too fast for me and I don't like to be rushing into trades on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, so and that's about it for now. I'm going to be waiting till next week to see what forms and what doesn't want to form and how I just either stay off the chart or trade my model. So that's about it for now. Till next week. Thank you.